everybody and welcome to my update test. Today we are going to be doing a full review of the Hotpoint washing machine, WMAQF721 washing machine. Let's see the programs on here, shall we? So we have 40, which is 3, it's an anti-stain 40 which takes 3 hours, white 60 which takes 3 hours, cotton standard 60 which takes 3 hours, cotton standard 40 which takes 2 hours 50, cotton standard 20 which takes 2 hours 50 as well, synthetic 60 is 1 hour 55, the anti-allergy 60 is 3 hours 15, the anti-allergy 40 is 3 hours 15, lingerie is 30 degrees at 1 hour 15, baby clothing is 40 degrees at 2 hours 25, bed and bath is 2 hours 5, shirts 40 at 1 hour 20, delicates at 40, 1 hour 10, wool is 13 and delicates 14, 1 hour 20. The X rinses are separate 36 hours and it's 16 minutes for that. Now time saver, does it go? No, doesn't go on number 1. Number 2, does it go? Nope, not on that one. Number 3, does it go on? Does time saver go on that one? Yes, and it goes down to 1 hour 34, which is over cotton standard 60, which is my kind of thing. 40 degrees, it can be taken down to 1 hour 47. Number 5 would be taken down to 1 hour 20. Synthetics, which is number 6, 1 hour 37 with time saver, and that doesn't work on number 7, and I don't think it works on number 8. Number 9, I don't think it does the same thing on that either. Number 10, baby, no, not on that. Ben Bath 60, I don't think that would do the same. Will it? No. Oh yes, yeah. 1 hour 55. Shirts 40, I don't think it would do a time saver on that because that is 1 hour 20. And the same with that. So the first one, it spins at 1200 RPM. On that, when it spins on 1200 RPM, that one 1200 RPM. Number 4, 1200 RPM. All those I think are 1200 RPM. That one does 800 RPM. That one does 1200 RPM. That one does do 1200 RPM. That does only 600. That one does 600, 11 does 600, number 12 does 600, that one does 600, that one does no spin on the delicates wash, and that one does a 600, and that one does, that should do 1200 RPM, and the same with that as well. But as long as that's fine, that's good. So let's check on that. Inside the drum, of course, same as my washing machine, but this one has a wider inner part, or wider water basin, and the original Hotpoint stuff with a nice modern door to it. Then of course inside we have all the bits in it, so your washing, your pre-wash and your thing for final rinse, but don't put in there and don't put in there because I did it on a backhoe and it flooded the whole compartment. So thank you for watching my update test, and I'll see you again next time.